Alright, we have several new parts that came in that are very important. So we got the CPU, and we got our headset, our mouse, our trackpad, our keyboard, and our monitor. Isabel's excited. So is Jackie. Hello, it's finally Friday. It's been a long week and a long day, but you know what? The weekend's here. I got a break from some of my students, and I kind of need that right now. Yeah, I don't really want to get into it, but next week will be exciting. This weekend will be fun. We're going to go to a Greyhound reunion, the same one as we went to last year, but we're finally going to have a dog to bring with. Can't wait to bring Isabel there. And hopefully I get to build my PC and finally get to use it, so that'll be fun. Let's look forward to that. After 10 minutes of messing around with this, I finally figured out how the case works. I like these little thumb screws right here. They were pretty easy, but they were hard to find, but I just wasn't looking in the right place. I mean, it is my first time building a PC, so I'm really excited. So the first thing I'm going to do is just install the power supply, and I got a Corsair TX 550M. I don't know what's going to be inside this box. I mean, they'll probably show right here, right? But that goes in here, so I'm going to go swing around to the other side to install this. I just spent like 5 minutes trying to figure out why the diagram doesn't match the case, and that's because I had it 90 degrees rotated the wrong way. So what a fun setback. What are you doing, Isabel? Gotta eat your food. She's probably not gonna eat her food. She's just gonna chill and stretch on a pillow, living her life. Yep. Go back to the same spot she was at. She sees her food. Oh, is she gonna go eat her food? Nope, she's not. She's making a decision on which side she should sit on, and that's where she's gonna choose. Alright. More progress coming up. So here's the actual power supply. I need to put it right here, and I need to put it upside down with the fan facing down. Jackie and I are at the Greyhound reunion. Isabel has a new collar that we bought her. There's just so many dogs. Look at these. They're just chilling. We got Isabel a caricature. Looks exactly like her. Here's the Greyhound parade. The next thing that I have to install is the motherboard. This is how far I got. I think I'm going to take a break here, but I need to make sure that this isn't rotated the wrong way. The fan is facing down. It'll be an easy fix if it is the wrong way. It's just tedious. It'll take like 10 minutes, but I'm gonna ask someone just to see if it should be facing this way instead. Put the tempered glass there in the case. Still gotta put the I/O shield right here. Then do all the wiring later on. Put this on. Oops. Put that on. Uh-oh. There we go. And just clean it up later. Oh, I gotta do the graphics card too, so that's probably gonna go somewhere over here. It's about midnight right now. Excuse the mess if you see any, but I'm about to plug it in for the first time, and hopefully it works. I'm kind of scared to see what happens if it doesn't, so let's see. Here we go.